Hey guys, good morning. Yes, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, we'll start session. Yeah, most everyone is online only. If anyone if anyone unable to hear me, yes, rejoin the session. If anyone unable to hear me, rejoin. Just rejoin the session. Still anyone unable to hear me? Yes, rejoin. Rejoin the session. Yeah. See, yesterday, day one. Yes, 8 a.m. 23rd March. Day one session. Day one. So yesterday, yes, about all the introductions completed. Just introductions yesterday. Nothing discussed yesterday. Just only introduction. Yes, about me introduced. Next about course. Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Course to contents. What next of this course? These things discussed. Today starting actual classes. Okay, today starting actual classes. Yeah, let me review yesterday's session. Yes, first 5 minutes. Yes, let us review yesterday's session. So first of all about me. Yeah, I think this again introduction is not necessary. So just leave it. So a lot of experience in Java development as well as training experience, both good experience. Yes, about course. This we need. Yes, core Java. Duration 3 months, 90 days. Monday to Saturday classes. Number of sessions 75 to 78 sessions. Totally 115 hours. Time 8 to 9:30 a.m. Fees only this much 5,000. Yeah, 3 demo classes. From tomorrow starting actual classes. Tomorrow means today. Today. Today starting actual classes. These are also 3 free classes you can attend. After that you can decide it. Next daily recordings. Sharing to your Gmail. Just within 1 hour of finishing class. Okay. Yes. Validity for 1 year. Yes. Anyone unable to continue classes with some reasons, they can attend again next batch. They can attend next batch. You can attend next batch again. Okay. Again and again, no issue. So this is about your course. 3 months. Yes, Monday to Saturday classes. Time 8 to 9:30. Fees this much. 75 to 78 sessions. Okay. Yes, daily recordings. Sharing to your Gmail ID. Yes, next class documents will be shared on softwares. Okay. Yes. See, check your system volume. Yeah, this guy is online only, but still unable to. Yes, 1 second. Rejoin the session or check your system volume. System volume. Check your system volume. Yes, this guy is online only, but still saying that unable to hear me. Yes, check your system volume. Yes, this one, Dasri Ashok. If this guy has to check your system volume. Check your system volume. Check this one, system volume. Yes, just put in yes 90 or 96 or 100%. System volume, check your system volume. Only issue is this is. Okay. Yes, if unable to hear me, rechannel session or check your system volume. Your system volume. Yes. So yesterday's, so about me introduced here. Yes, next about your course. Okay. Yes. Next, what is prerequisite to learn Java? Nothing required. No expectations from you guys. Yes, even non-IT background guys also can understand. Non-IT background guys also can understand classes. Okay, starting with basics. Finally taking to high end. See, by the time of finishing course, means almost 3 months. 3 months course. Yes, you can put up minimum of 3 to 4 years of experience. So prerequisite to learn Java, nothing required. I'm not expecting anything from you. Maybe somebody thinking like, can I learn Java without C and C++ knowledge? Yes, you can learn. C and C++ knowledge not at all required. Without C and C++ also, you can learn Java. So even non-IT background guys also can learn. Non-IT background guys also can understand it. Can learn it here. Okay, I'll explain slowly. Starting with basics. No worry. Okay. Yes. Next, what are the course contents? Yes, in today's topic, I'll explain course contents. These are all the course contents. In today's topic, I'll repeat. Yes, as a part of today's topic, I'll explain about course contents. Okay. So that's all about yesterday's one. Okay. So yesterday, first day, just about me introduction. So about me. So about trainer. So about me. Yes, my experience and all that shared yesterday. Next about course details. Course details informed yesterday. This is so next prerequisites, nothing required. Course contents. Today I'll repeat again. This course contents. This course content today I'll repeat again. Don't worry. Today I'll be repeating this course contents. Today repeating this topic. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So that's all. Just yes. Yesterday's class overview. Yes. Today day 2. Yes. Day 2. Day 2. Okay. Yes. Mr. Harshuk, can you hear me now? Dasari Harshuk, can you hear me? Yes. Left. Okay. Okay. So day 2. Yes. Day 2 session today. Yes. Starting actual classes. Yes. Actual classes. Today as actual classes. Okay. Yes. Java. Yes. Yes. Today about Java. Okay. About Java. Yes. Complete Java overview. Today we'll discuss history. What is Java history? Next, why Java got this much of popularity? About Java popularity. Next, what is present position of Java? What is present position of Java? Next, what's the future of Java? So these things we'll discuss today. Okay. Yeah, evening batch right now don't have 5 o'clock only is there. At 5 o'clock is there. So evening 5 p.m. is there. 5 p.m. it's there. 5 p.m. batch. 5 p.m. batch available. Yes, same batch next week. Next week, 6 p.m. Same batch. Same batch. Next week changing to 6 p.m. 5 p.m. available. Mr. Naresh. 5 p.m. batch available. Same batch next week. Yes, changing to yes, changing to 5 p.m. 6 p.m. Okay, 5 p.m. batch available. Same batch next week is changing to 6 p.m. Next week means from Monday, from 28th. From 28th, it's a 6 p.m. Now currently 5 p.m. going on. Yes, same batch next week is changing to 6 p.m. Okay. Yes. Yes, now date is second day. So actual classes today starting. So about Java. Yes, like Java history. Yes, when Java released. Yes, about Java. Yes, Java release. What are the versions in Java? Next, what are changes in Java? Next, how Java got this much of popularity? Next, what is present position of Java? What is future of Java? That all this we'll discuss. Java, next Java contents and all that we'll discuss. Completely about overview of Java. Today's topic is overview of Java. Okay, let us see. See, so first question is, yes, what is Java? Suppose anyone asking simply, what is Java? What is your answer? Just tell me your idea. Of course, I'll explain. Just I'm asking your idea. What is Java? What's your idea about Java? What is Java? Just I'm asking your idea. Of course, I'll explain. What is Java? So different guys, different answers. Yes, programming language. Yes, Java is an object-oriented, simple and secure, contains hooks concepts. So these things. Okay, fine. Yeah, let me explain what is Java. Yes, what is Java? One second, this guy is still facing issue. Hello. Yeah, what's up issue? You no, just you check your system volume. Check your mobile volume then. Check. I, I think maybe your mobile issue that is. Here it's fine. Here it's fine. Here everyone is able to hear me. Here problem is everything is fine. Okay. So I think maybe your mobile issue. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So what is Java? Yes, let me explain. What is Java? Yes, simple. Java is an OOP language. Simple answer. Java is an OOP language. So what is OOP? Yes, OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay. Yes, OOP stands for yes, object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming. Yes. What is Java? Java is an OOP language. Yes, OOP means object-oriented programming language. Simple, very simple answer. What is Java means? Very simple answer. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming. Simple answer. Okay. Yes. See, JDK. It's in Java software. Java software JDK. JDK stands for yes, Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. JDK means Java Development Kit. JDK is Java software. Java software called JDK. Java Development Kit. It's a Java software. Java software. Okay. Yes, JDK. Yes, originally from the Sunsoft. Originally from the Sunsoft. Sunsoft. Originally from the Sunsoft. Okay. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. So JDK originally from the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Okay. Yes, JDK. Actually, JDK originally from the Sunsoft. Originally from the Sunsoft. Now it is taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Okay. Yes. See here JDK 1.0. Yes. First version of Java. 1.0 is a first version of Java. First version of Java. First version of Java released in the year 1995. JDK 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1995. So first version of Java. JDK 1.0, it's a first version of Java released in the year 1995. See, yeah, I know very well this release. 1995, yes. So 1995 that time, yes, I was in engineering second year. I was in, yes, engineering second year. Engineering second year. I think maybe before your birth, right? Before your birth. 1995 means, yes, maybe before your birth. Okay. At that time, I was in engineering second year. I know that very well. Yes, 1995. Yes, Java released with lot of publicity. Java released in the year 1995 with lot of publicity. I know that very well. Okay, see, 1995, that time I was learning C language. Just learning C language. Okay, learning C language. Just 1995, engineering second year, just learning C language. Means already I'm in software field. Started my software career, engineering. See, computer science engineering. Yes, JNTU, Hyderabad, JNTH. Yes, 1993 to 1997. So 97, immediately got the job. Started job immediate 97. Okay, immediately. Just final year itself got the job. Because that time computer science engineering graduates, yes, rare case. Very rare case. That time very less number of colleges. Yes, only 9 colleges we have that time. 9 colleges. Yes, in AP and TS. Only 9 colleges. Okay, 9 colleges. Just only 360 seats that time engineering. 360 seats. So that time, yes, computer science engineering, yes, there. It's not easy. Okay, yes. So this is not necessary for us. Yes. So here JDK 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1995. So I know that release very well with lot of publicity release in market here. JDK 1.0. Okay. See here first version JDK 1.0. Yes, released with below features. Okay, released with below features. JDK 1.0 released with below features. First one, yes, independent. Yes, independent of platform. Independent of platform. See, JDK 1.0 released with below features. So first, initially here, main features. Initially, first version. JDK 1.0 released with below features. First one, independent of platform. Yes, next one, portability. Yes, next one, object oriented programming language features. Yes, next. Yes, scalability and security. Yes, scalability, next security. Yes, these features will be. So first version. So initially first version. See here, JDK 1.0, first version of Java released with these features. So initially Java released with these features. Later I added many features. Yes, we'll see one by one. Okay, version wise features we'll discuss next. Okay, so JDK 1.0. So first version of Java released with these features like independent of platform, portability, loop language, scalability, and security. Okay, yes. Next, so this is JDK 1.0. Yes, about these features we'll discuss. Wait. Okay. Yes, we'll discuss. I think this is tomorrow topic. About all the features tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay, today complete Java overview. Yes, next JDK 1.1. Yes, JDK 1.1 next version. Second version. Yes, released. Yes, in the year 1996. So JDK 1.1 released in the year 1996. Okay, so this JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. So initially only three editions, totally four editions, but initially only three editions. Later fourth one added. Initially only three. Later fourth one added. Okay. So the JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. So first one, yes, JSE. Yes, calling as JTSE. Yes, called as JTSE. Okay. So Java Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition. So first, this is first edition. JSE, Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Mobile Edition. So next, second one, Java Enterprise Edition, calling as J2EE. Yes, Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. Next, JME. Yes, JTME, calling as JTME. Yes, Java Mobile Edition. That's it here. So these are different editions here. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and Java Mobile Edition. These three editions here. Initially, Java released with this, these features here. 1.0 released with these features. Next year, 1996, JDK 1.1. Yes, in 1.1, just divided into three editions. Initially, only three. Later, fourth one added. That also we'll see. Okay. So Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Mobile Edition. Okay. So JDK 1.1. Next JDK after 1.2 released. Next 1.3. Next 1.4. Next 1.5. Yes. Next 1.6. Next 1.7. Yes. After this 1.8. From 1.8 calling it Java 8. calling it Java 8, Java 8, Java 9, Java 11, and 13. Okay. So here latest release, of course, 16 also is there in the yes Oracle website, but not officially. Okay, yes, up to 13 officially released to public. Okay, Java 16 also available in the Oracle website, but not official. That is okay. Yes, up to 13 officially released to market here. Yes, in our syllabus, special focus on 8 and 9. Okay, final topic is 11 and 13. Special focus. See, yes, in our class itself, 8 and 9 I'm using. I'll be using 8 and 9 softwares. Java 8 and 9. Java 8 and 9 I'll be using here. Okay, explanation itself, installing 8 and 9 and using that here. Okay, after 8 and 9 here, final topic is 11 and 13. Okay, fine. Now, out of all these things here, JDK 1.5, main important version. JDK 1.5, JDK 1.5, JDK 1.5. This 1.5 version, yes, this is called as Tiger version. This is called as Tiger version. Tiger version. Tiger version. Yes, released. Yes, released in the year 2004. Released in the year 2004. JDK 1.5 called as Tiger version, released in the year 2004. 2004. Okay. Yes, here JDK 1.5. What's the importance in this term here? JDK 1.5 major changes were done in this. Yes, many features were added. Many features were added in this version here. Many features added in this version here. Yes, I'll explain that features in this version. And even fourth edition and fourth edition, yes, JFX means Javafx. Yes, Javafx. Fourth edition, Javafx also added here. Also added in this version. Also added in this version. Yes, Javafx also added in this version. Yes, major changes were done. Okay, so JDK 1.5, many features were added in this version here. And the fourth edition, yes, Javafx also added in this version. Okay, yes, with JDK 1.5, yes, Java got the success. Yes, Java got the success. Finally, Java got the success with JDK 1.5. Yes, JDK 1.5, Java got the success. Yes, to become success, how many years? See, JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004. So how many years it was taken to become success? How many years taken to become success here? So 2004 JDK 1.5. So initially it's 1995, right? 1995. 1.0 first version in the year 1995. 1995 to 2004 means almost 10 years. It was taken for 10 years. See, 10 years. See, 10 years means it's not a small period. Okay, very long period. Very long period. See here, 10 years. Suppose even you guys also 10 years working, getting success. Okay, to get success in life, just 3 to 4 years enough. 3 to 4 years getting work experience, getting success in life. So max 2 or 3 years enough. Yes, once you work for 2 or 3 years, getting experience, that experience enough to success in life. Okay, fine. So this is, so here JDK 1.5 Java got success. So finally here, see, finally, yes, Java divided into 4 editions. Java divided into 4 editions. So these three plus and fourth one FX. Okay, fourth one, yes, JFX. Yes, Java FX. Yes, here doubt is why called as JTSC, J2W, JTME, these things. 2, what is 2 here? 2 means second version. See, JDK 1.0 is a first version. JDK 1.0 is a first version. JDK 1.1 second version. JDK 1.1 it's a second version. Second version. Okay, so 2 means second version. In second version, that's the JDK 1.1. Second version divided like this. That's the reason called as JTSC, J2W, JTME. Yes, when come to FX, this is in JDK 1.5 version. 1.5. That's the reason it's not named as JTFX. No, don't call it JTFX. Yeah, these we can say JTSC, J2W, JTME. This is simply FX. That's it here. Okay. Yes. What is Java standardization? Yes. Let me explain about this one by one here. This is complete JDK. Total JDK contains 4 editions. Total complete Java. This is complete Java. This is complete Java. This is complete Java. This is complete Java. Okay. So Java standard edition. Java standard edition. Yes, it's a Java technology. It's a Java technology. Yes, it's a Java technology. Java technology. Yeah, this is our course. Yeah, this is our course here. Yes, Java standard edition. Our course, our syllabus. This is. Yes, we'll discuss. Wait, I'll explain about our course contents. Java enterprise edition. Yes, it's a application development. Application developments. Application developments. Application developments. So it's a application development. Applications. Apps. See apps. Apps like Facebook is application, right? Facebook application. Flipkart is an application. Okay, WhatsApp is applications. Yes, this kind of applications. Okay, yes, with enterprise editions, we can develop this kind of applications here. All the online services, online trading applications, that kind of applications we can develop. Okay, yes. So this is frameworks. All the frameworks comes on this category. Yes, today we'll discuss what is framework. Yes, all the frameworks, all the frameworks, all the frameworks comes on this category. Okay, one second. Let me have some water. Yes. So Java standard edition is Java technology. Java enterprise edition. It's a application development. Application development. Okay. Yes. Next. Java mobile. Yes. See, I will explain what is exact standard edition. What does it contain? What is enterprise edition? All the frameworks. What are the frameworks? I'll explain. Today topic is this only here. We are going to discuss about all this here. Okay. Next. Third one. Yes. Mobile edition. Mobile edition. This is for mobile application development, mobile app, mobile apps development. Yes, using for mobile app development. In this area, Java 4. In this area, Java 4. This edition Java is very poor. For this Android, Android is best suitable. Android, yes, using Android software. Android software for this. Using Android software. See, Android software is a core Java based. Core Java based. Yes, it's a core Java based. Yes, if you know the core Java, then easy to work with Android here. Yes, if you know the core Java, yes, nowadays most of the tools, most of the application, most of the softwares are Java based softwares. Yes, what are the new softwares are coming nowadays here? Almost all the softwares are Java based softwares. Okay, if you know the Java, then easy to work with the different softwares. Okay, yes. So Android software is in here for mobile app development here. So for this core Java enough, core Java. With core Java knowledge, you can work on Android. Okay, so that is mobile edition. Mobile edition. Yes, next JavaFX. Next one is JavaFX. 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 Yeah, this is using for visual effects. Visual effects. Visual effects. Yes, visual effects. These are visual effects in movies. Movies and other videos. Okay, for this Here this area also Java is core. Yes, in this also Java core. What is software? Yes, industry using Premier software. Premier software from the Adobe. From the Adobe. Next one more. Yes, Adobe is a company name. From the Adobe Premier software, they are using. Yes, industry using film industry using Premier software. Okay. Next one more Maya is a very old software. Maya software. Yeah, this is from the Microsoft. Microsoft. So these two editions Java is poor. These two editions Java is poor. These two editions are not in use. Okay. Mobile edition, Java mobile edition, Javafx, these two editions are not in use. Not in use. Industry not using these two editions. Industry using only these two editions. Yes, let us say about these two editions. Industry using these two editions. Okay. Yes. First one, Java standard edition is Java technology. Yes, it's a Java technology. Yeah, this is our course. So this is our course. Yeah, this is our course. Yes, what is our course? Yes, once let me save it. Day 2. Yes, 8 a.m. Day 2. Yes, day 1 already shared. Day 1, yes, day 1 the text document shared, class document shared, as well recording also shared. Day 1 already shared. Okay. Now day 2. Yes, now here day 2 is yes. So in this yes, Java translation. Yes, day 2 I'll share it. I'll share it today. Okay. Java translation. It's a Java technology. Yes, it's our course. So what are the course contents? Yes, yesterday explained about course contents. Yes, let me take from this one. Let me copy this one. Again typing, wasting of time. Today again typing and explaining, wasting of time. Yes, our course. So this is our course. Yes, our course. First core part of Java. Yes, here all the Java fundamentals like data types, operators, control statements, and about Java language. These things will be discussing all the fundamentals. This area, around 100 programs, I'll be explaining. Yes, it's a logic-based programming, completely logic-based programming. Special focus on logic development. Okay, special focus on logic development. How to improve your programming skills and all this. So main focus on improving programming skills and logic development. 100 programs. Yes, practically more than 100 also sometimes. More than 100 also explaining here. Okay. Yes, practically. Seek a step by step, line by line explaining. Yes, in live. Practically, I'll explain every program. Okay. So this is for 1 month. 1 month focus on this. Okay. Once you good at programming, seek a most of the yes IT guys already who is having IT knowledge. They are very poor in programming skills. Yes, most of the guys they are very poor in programming skills. That guess how to improve programming skills. Even non-IT guys. Non-IT guys how to get programming skills, how to get logics. So there's a special focus on this for 1 month. Once you perfect about programming, once you good at your skills, then moving to next level of Java. Java oops. Yes, oops concept features, all these features here. They're oops like encapsulation, data abstraction, all the oops features here. Method overloading, constructors, static concepts, this reference, inheritance, method overloading, access, specifiers and modifiers, abstract classes, methods, interfaces, polymorphism, inner classes, packages, and garbage collections. This is complete oops implementation. Here, this is for 20 days. So this is 1 month, 20 days, means 50 days. And rest of the 40 days is completely project related concepts here. Project related concepts like how to use string buffer, string token, string builder. Here, these are using the Java projects here. In Java applications, how to develop application using this one here. What is the role of these in Java applications? Next, object wrapper classes. How to use object wrapper classes in Java projects. Next, exception handling the Java projects. Okay, next, collections. Use of collections Java projects. Java projects. Here, this is very important collections. Very important collections here. Next, this is also important one. Files. How to handle files. ISTs. File handling. Yes, collections and ISTs. Combination of these two. We'll discuss one real-time projects. Okay, I'll explain one real-time project this area. Okay. Yes, after that networking. Networking. Yes, TCP, UDP, that communications. Here we are going to develop on chatting application. Chatting application. Next, multi-threading. After finishing multi-threading here, final topic version-wise features. 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, all the version-wise features. So this is our syllabus. Up to 13. Up to JDK, Java 13 will be explaining. So this is about our syllabus. So our syllabus, Java foundation, it's a Java technology. So this is our syllabus. That's here. So this is our syllabus. Okay, right? So that is, yes, Java foundation. Next, second one, Java Enterprise Edition. Second one, this is. Yes, what is this? See, Enterprise Edition. Next. See, Enterprise Edition. So this is application development. See here, JDK. See, JDK software. So complete. This is complete JDK. This is complete JDK. In this, yes, these two editions are not in use. Industry not using. So these two not in use. Only these two are in use. Only these two are in use here. So what's the purpose of these editions? No topic. Explain our topic here. So Java foundation is a just Java technology. Complete learning Java technology. Okay. So Java foundation. Yes, this Java foundation. Yes, all these topics in Java foundation. Okay. Yes, after that, next enterprise edition. It's application development. Applications are applications like Facebook is application, Flipkart application, WhatsApp application. Yes, online training applications, go to meeting, go to training, all the applications here. Okay, for this here, all frameworks comes on this category. All frameworks. Yes, all frameworks comes on this category here. Okay, see here, 90% of applications were developed using enterprise edition and here. Enterprise edition. Okay, all frameworks comes on this category here. So what are the Java frameworks? Yes, what are the Java frameworks? Let us see about Java frameworks. Java frameworks. So what are the Java frameworks? Okay, first one, yes, Struts framework. First one, Struts framework. Next one, yes, Spring framework. Yes, third one, yes, Hibernate. Yes, Hibernate framework. Third one, Hibernate framework. Okay, Struts framework, Spring framework, Hibernate framework. Yes, next, yes, Hadoop. Next, Hadoop framework. Next, yes, Spark framework. Next, yes, Spring Boot framework. Okay, so what are these frameworks? Let us see about these frameworks here. Okay, so first of all, what's your framework here? What's your framework? First of all, what's your framework? What's your framework? What is your framework here? First of all, what is your framework? What's your framework? What is exactly framework? See, framework, yes, is a ready-made one. Yes, ready to use here. Ready to use it. Ready to use. Framework is ready-made one. Ready to use. Yes, it contains all predefined classes. It contains all predefined classes. Predefined classes. Predefined classes. Predefined means already developed. Yes, already developed classes. Already developed. already developed classes. Okay, they have written code already developed classes. Okay, yes, it contains all predefined classes, already developed classes for different activities. Suppose Java application performing different activities. For yes, different activities like suppose Java application communicating with the database for this class, predefined class available. Java application communicates for different activities. Okay, for every yes, for every activity of yes activity of Java yes Java application yes classes were developed. Yes, classes were developed in the framework. Developed in the framework for every activity. Yes, for every activity of Java application, yes, classes were developed. Yes, in the framework. Classes available. Classes yes available in the framework. Okay. Yes, for every activity of Java application. Yes, for every activity of Java application, predefined. Yes, predefined classes available. Predefined class available in the framework. Available in the framework. Okay. So here developing your code is not necessary. Just using frameworks. Yes, code development is not necessary. We can reduce the code without writing codes. Okay, just we can take yes simply here we can take yes all existing classes. We can take predefined classes. We can take predefined classes. We can take all predefined classes. We can take all predefined classes. Okay. Yes, predefined classes, and plug in into yes, plug in into projects, and we can build it here. Okay, so we can take predefined classes and plug into projects and build it here. We can build it here. We can build projects. Simply building projects without writing codes. Okay. Yes, we can take predefined classes, plug into projects, and you can build a project here. Okay. So here advantage of framework. Yes, see advantage of framework. Okay. Yes, advantage of framework. Yes, to build projects, to build a projects without writing code. Without writing code. So without writing any code, yes, little bit code we should write. So here very less code. Using framework, we can reduce the code here. So here advantage of frameworks to build. Yes, we can build the project without writing code. Means within short time we can finish. Within short time we can finish the project here. See, for example, here suppose Java application. Yes, connecting to database. Okay. So for this database coding required. See database. Yes, coding. The database coding required, right? Database coding. Yes, around. Yes, around 50 to 60 lines of code. See, 50 to 60 lines of code. 50, 60 lines. Suppose if you're writing on your own, yes, database coding around 50 to 60 lines of code, you should write it here. Yes, with frameworks, you can avoid that code. With framework, yes, with the Hibernate framework, for example, Hibernate, it's database. Hibernate framework is to handle database. So with the Hibernate framework, yes, framework, yes, we can avoid database coding. We can avoid that code. We can avoid database coding. So without writing coding, database coding here, we can avoid it here. Okay, we can avoid it. Yes. So with Hibernate coding, okay, yes, we can avoid database coding. It's not necessary here. We can avoid. It's not necessary here. With Hibernate framework here, Yes, we can avoid database coding. Yes, so without writing code also we can connect database using Hibernate framework. Just provide the details, database details enough that will connect database automatically. So for like this here, for every activity of Java application, predefined classes available. Suppose application is connecting to database, predefined class available. Suppose Java application connecting to email server. Yes, for that also predefined classes available. Predefined code is available. So Java application is communicating TCP server. For that also predefined class available. Okay, like this, different various activities, many activities in the application. Suppose Java application logs, log information, logging into log files. For that also predefined code is available. For every activity in the Java application, predefined code is available. That predefined classes, nothing but a framework. So framework contains predefined classes. Okay. So predefined, already ready-made classes. You can use that. Using that, you can build the project here. That is framework exactly. See, I'll tell you one example from our real life example. See, suppose, for example, constructing bridges. Yes, now you can understand very clearly what is exactly framework. Suppose constructing bridges. Constructing bridges. Yes. How they are constructing here. See, old days. See, old days bridges construction. What's away raising pillars. First of all, raising pillars. Half raising pillars. On top of pillars. On top of pillars. Laying bridge, right? Laying bridge. Okay. So very old days here. Yes. Raising pillars. On top of pillars. Yes. Laying bridge. That is old style of construction. Now new style of construction. Okay. Yes. Nowadays. Yes. What they are doing here. First of all, raising pillars. Even raising pillars also finishing short time because of machinery and all that available. Okay. Yes. Next, on top of pillars, what they are doing here, they are not laying any road. They are not laying any bridge here. Simply on top of pillars, just assembling blocks. Just assembling. Yes, assembling. Yes, assembling blocks. See, ready-made blocks available. Yes, ready-made blocks available. Okay, simply they are bringing blocks here and assembling. I think you might have observed. Okay, that's bridges construction. See, on top of pillars, simply just assembling blocks, ready-made blocks available. Nowadays, yes, ready-made blocks. Simply they are bringing that ready-made blocks, just assembling, that's it here. Just they are finishing within 3 to 6 months only. Within 6 months, they are finishing bridges. Okay. Yes, same thing happened in Hyderabad last year, COVID periods. COVID periods. Yes, the Telangana government, TS government taken advantage of COVID periods. Yes, almost 8 to 10 bridges they have constructed. Yes, particularly Gachibowli area, outside in our area. Yes, almost 4 to 5 bridges here constructed. Different areas of city. Yes, almost 10 bridges they have finished out within short periods by assembling blocks. Just assembling blocks. COVID periods, lockdown periods. They taken advantage of that periods. They finished almost 10 bridges out by assembling blocks. So within short time they finished. Yes. So this is nothing but it's a framework. Ready-made blocks. Like ready-made blocks here, ready-made classes available. Ready-made classes available. Ready-made code is available. Ready-made code is available. Okay. Just that ready-made block, ready-made. Yes, predefined class available here. Yes, we can plug in the predefined classes, plug into projects, and you can build the project here. We can plug in, take the ready-made classes, plug in, and we can build the project here. We can avoid coding. So without writing coding. Okay, lot of coding reducing. Only small piece of code we should write. Okay, that code is just core Java related code. Okay, so after learning core Java, that code you can use in frameworks directly here. That's it here. Okay, just core Java, whatever learned in core Java, that code you can write in the frameworks. Little bit code required framework. That code is core Java code. That's it here. Okay, yes. I'll tell you one more example. Yes, another example. See, another example, ready-made houses, right? Ready-made houses nowadays. Ready-made houses. So particularly construction companies using ready-made houses for their workers' purpose. Okay, for their employees here, they are using ready-made houses. Ready-made houses. So here, yes, construction location, their site, construction site. Okay, simply they build the ready-made house here. So wherever they want here, just right, everything is ready-made thing, like ready-made walls, ready-made roof. Okay, yes, everything is ready-made, ready-made base, ready-made walls, ready-made roofs, and everything is readily available. Okay, so whenever they want, they build the house by assembling all that here. By assembling all this, they will build here. Yes, within 5 days or 2 or 3 days, they will finish the house here. Yes, for the workers' purpose. Construction companies, their workers' purpose, ready-made houses. Okay, when they can move to different locations here. So within 1 week, they can build many houses. Yes, within a week, 25 to 30 houses they will build here using for their workers' purpose. That is same like a framework. Framework is exact like a ready-made house. Okay, like a bridges construction. Framework is like a ready-made houses and bridges construction. That is exactly framework. Exactly framework. Okay, so here framework advantage. Yes, advantage of frameworks. See, yes, what are the advantage of frameworks here? Frameworks advantage. First point, we can reduce the code. We can reduce the code. We can reduce the code. Okay. Yes. Next, time of project development reduced. Yes, particularly time of project development reduced. Time of project development using frameworks. Time of project development within 3 months and 4 months, max is 6 months. Within 6 months, we can finish projects. See, very old is 2 years project, 3 years projects. Nowadays, we are finishing project within 6 months only. Okay, yes, project finishing, development finishing 6 months, just 2 months testing and delivering the client. So within 6 to 8 months, we are finishing projects. How? Because of frameworks. Because of frameworks here. So we can reduce the codes. We can reduce the codes. Time of project development also it is here. Next, we can reduce the Java resources. Okay, much Java resources not required here. Java resources. So much Java resources not required here. Java resources not required. Not required. Okay, much Java resources not required here. So with less number of resources, with less time, we can finish the project. Okay. Yes. Next, cost also reduced. Yes, cost of the project. Yes, cost of the project also reduced. Cost of the project also reduced. Reduced. Yes, that is yes advantage of frameworks. See here. Yes, for example here in 2017 year, yes, we developed on GST projects. Okay, central government. Yes, suddenly announces some GST rate. GST. Okay, goods and service tax. The GST. They announced right. Yeah, the GST project we have developed. Just product we developed in 3 months only here. 3 months only. Yes, we finished in 3 months only here. 3 months, including testing. 2 months development, 1 month testing. 2 months development, 1 month testing. Within 3 months completed and released the market. Yes, many copies sold out. Many copies. At that time GST got very hot. Many one purchased the GST product here. Lot of profits in that GST products. Okay, so just only 3 months. 3 months. Only 3 months completed with less number of resources and with less cost. With yes, even yes, development cost also very less. With less cost only we have finished that project here. That is advantage of frameworks. That is advantage of frameworks. Advantage of frameworks. Now let us see these are different frameworks. What's the purpose of these frameworks here? Okay. See, our course is Java technology, learning Java technology. After learning Java technology, next moving to frameworks. What's the purpose of these frameworks here? First, let us see struts framework. What is struts framework? First one, Struts framework. Struts framework. Here this is for yes web application development. Here this is to develop web applications. Web applications. So what is web application? Yes, web application. To develop web application. Web application means it works on the internet. Okay, it works. Web application works. Web application works on internet. It works on internet only. Internet. It's web application working on the internet. Okay. Yes. Next here. 1 second. Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Yes, Spring and Hibernate frameworks. So these are to develop enterprise application. Develop enterprise application. See web application and enterprise application. Web application, enterprise application. Yes, both are working on the internet only here. Enterprise application also also working on the internet. Working on the internet here. Then what's the difference? Yes, both are working on the internet here. Okay. See, web application works on the internet. Enterprise application also working on the internet. Then what's the difference here? See, web application. Yes, web application. Yes, performs. Yes, less number of transactions. Means performs small scale transactions. Small scale transactions. Is suitable for small scale transactions. Small scale transactions here. So enterprise. What is enterprise? Enterprise means large scale business called as enterprise. Enterprise means large scale business is enterprise. See, enterprise application yes performs large scale. Yes, large scale transactions. Large scale transactions. See, enterprise application performs large scale transactions. Enterprise application performs large scale transactions. Okay. See here web application. Yes, example websites. Company websites. See, company websites are yes how many visitors visiting websites? Maximum 100 members or 200 members or 1000 members per day. Not more than that. Okay. But trading applications like Facebook. Yes, for this example here, see this all the yes enterprise applications, all the trading applications like Facebook. Yes, Facebook it performs lot of transactions every day, right? Facebook comes on enterprise application. Large number of transactions. If large number of transactions, that case we should go for Spring and Hibernate framework. Suppose small number of transactions, that case we can go for Struts framework. But this is outdated. Here, this Spring framework and Hibernate, these also we can use for both web application as well enterprise. For both of these things we can use. Okay. So this is not necessary to use here. In place of that, we can use this one here. For both applications, web applications and enterprise applications, for both of these things, you can use these two frameworks. Okay. Yes, Facebook, Flipkart. So these performing large scale transactions. Twitter, Facebook, Flipkart, Twitter. Next, trading applications, online trading apps here. Yes, banking applications, banking apps. Yes, all these are large scale transactions. Banking apps. Next, stock exchange. Yes, stock exchange apps here. Stock exchange like New York Stock Exchange, Mumbai Stock Exchange, exchange applications. Yeah, these kind of applications performing large scale transactions. That case using this yes Spring and Hibernate. Okay. Next here, 1 second. Same thing in Python also available. Python there is a Django framework. Python Django framework is suitable for only for web application development, means small scale transactions. Suppose any application performing large scale transaction, that case Python fails. Python is not fit for, yes, enterprise applications. Python framework and Python is not fit for enterprise large scale transactions. That case Python is fit. Python is not fit. Python is fit for only small scale transactions. That's it. Okay, so using these two frameworks here, using this. Okay, so with Spring framework, yes, with the Spring framework and Hibernate frameworks, yes, and Hibernate frameworks, yes, we can develop. Yes, we can. Yes, we can develop. We can develop. Yes, both. We can develop both web applications. Yes, as well enterprise applications. Okay, see here 90% of internet based applications, internet based. Now currently, yes, currently many applications using market here. See, yes, in the industry using many applications, maybe software industry, mechanical industry, different industries here, manufacturing industries. Okay, schools and colleges, like this, many things, many companies. Yes, 90% of internet based applications were developed in Java, but developed applications were developed in Java. Yes, were developed in Java. Yes, using Spring and Hibernate frameworks. So this is about Spring and Hibernate. Next, other frameworks. See, Hadoop and Spark. Yes, Spring Boot is a next level of Spring framework. Similar to Spring framework, next level. Yes, we can reduce much coding here. We can reduce much coding in Spring Boot framework. Okay. Yes. So next, yes, next Hadoop and Spark frameworks. What are these here? These are big data frameworks. Yeah, these are called as yes, big data frameworks. Big data frameworks. Yeah, these are also Java based frameworks. These are also Java based frameworks here. What is big data? Big data means, yes, it's a huge amount of data. See here, GBs of data. See, up to GBs of data. Up to GBs of data is a small data. Comes under small data. Like 100 GB data, 500 GB data, 1000 GB data. Yes, it's a GBs. Okay, after gigabytes, next one terabytes. So up to GB, yes, up to GBs of data, yes, up to GBs of data is a small data. Up to GBs of data is a small data. Yes, terabytes of data, terabytes and petabytes, next exabytes and zettabytes of data. Yes, is a big data. Get this kind of data is a big data. See, for example, here, yes, Facebook, yes, it generates 5 petabytes of data per day. Yes, per day. 5 petabytes of YouTube, 4 petabytes of data. Google, Gmail, next Amazon online services, stock exchange applications, mobile applications, banking applications. These applications are generating lot of data every day, huge amount of data. Okay, so industry facing big data challenges. Okay, here, yes, to face big data challenges, these are the frameworks. Okay, these are the frameworks here. Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop and Spark. These two frameworks, Hadoop and Spark frameworks, are to handle big data challenges. So what are the big data challenges here? Okay, Hadoop and Spark frameworks are to handle or to handle big data challenges. So what are the big data challenges? See, big data challenges, first of all, storage. Storage problem. Yes, where to store huge amount of data. Storage problem. Main problem is here storage problem. See, suppose Oracle database, storing data. Oracle database, MySQL database, like there are different databases storing data. Yes, only small amount of data means maximum 1 TB data it can store. It can take only 1 TB data, not more than that. But Facebook is generating petabytes of data. Yes, Oracle database is not fit for it. Yes, MySQL database, Microsoft SQL Server, these existing databases not fit to store this much of data. Huge amount of data. Okay, data storage. Data storage. Main challenge with storage here. Huge amount of data cannot be stored on the old systems. Okay, data storage. Next, data processing here. Next, so you get yes, main big data challenges. First, storage problem, data storage. Next, data processing here. Data processing. Data processing. See, data processing means simple example. Data processing means suppose there are 1,000 employees. In 1,000 employees, I want only male employees. Filtering male employees. That is data processing. Filtering only male employees. That is data processing. Okay. 1,000 records is very small data. Suppose 1 million, 10 lakhs of records, also small data. Billions of records. Millions and billions of records. So Facebook group. How much data generating? Yes, Facebook, many users are in Facebook. See, in Facebook here, yes, 260 crores of accounts are there. 260 crores of users using Facebook. Yes, 260 crores of users working on the Facebook. How much data generating? Lot of data. That data has to filter, right? Data filtering. Data filtering. That data has to filter. Nothing but data processing. The filtering the data. Filtering based on date. Filtering based on location. So filtering based on different year conditions. Filtering conditions here. That is nothing but data processing here. Data processing, right? So big data processing, 260 crores of users generating lot of data. How to filter the data? The data filtering. Yes, here existing old systems cannot do that. Old systems like Oracle database, MySQL database cannot. They fails for this Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop and Spark frameworks are to handle big data challenges. To handle big data challenges, they are the big data challenges. Storage and processing here. Storage and processing. Okay, to handle big data, yes, Hadoop and Spark frameworks. That's it. So these are the Java frameworks. Okay, Java frameworks. See this Hadoop and Spark frameworks. These are for the big data challenges. Next, these things, Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Yes, what's the purpose of these frameworks here? Enterprise applications, web applications. Okay, see Spring and Hibernate framework. 1 second. Yes, these are for these frameworks. Spring and Hibernate. Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Yeah, these for what? Yes, web applications, web apps, web applications as well. Yes, enterprise, both enterprise applications, enterprise. With these are internet-based applications. Internet, yes, internet-based applications. They are internet-based apps. Internet-based apps. Not on this here. Yes, Spring Boot is a advanced version of Spring Framework. Spring Boot is a advanced version of Spring Framework. To reduce much coding. To reduce coding here, we can go for Spring Boot. Okay. Spring Boot is a next level of Spring Framework. Okay. Yes. So web apps as well as enterprise applications we can develop using this. Not on this here, even ERP applications also. ERP applications. ERP applications also can be developed here. Also can be developed here. ERP apps also can be developed. ERP applications also. ERP. Yes, ERP applications also we can develop. What is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. So what is exact ERP? Let me show that. Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP. See, this is the enterprise. Yeah, this is the enterprise. Yes, it's a very big company. Okay, it's a very big company. It's the enterprise. It's enterprise having many departments. Manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry. For example, here, yes, Maruti Suzuki. It's a manufacturing industry, right? Their cars manufacturing. Volkswagen. Their cars manufacturing. Okay, Tata. A Tata products, different products manufacturing. Okay, Dell laptops manufacturing industry. Okay, like this different manufacturing industries having this much of departments like purchasing department, stores management, profit and management, manufacturing department, production, quality control, yes, costing, estimating cost of item, marketing department, customers department, assembling departments, okay, next shipping department, HR department. Like this, there are different departments. How to manage all the activities? To manage all the activities of all departments, okay, some application required. That is nothing but ERP application. ERP. To manage all these activities here, developing application, that application is ERP. ERP. Okay. See, already existing ERPs available like SAP available, but Oracle ERP available. SAP and Oracle ERP available, but they are very costly. Costly in maintenance. Costly in maintenance care. So with that reason, most of the clients are interested in Java to develop, to maintain that ERP here. Most of the clients are interested in Java because of that existing ERPs are very costly here. Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. That ERPs also can develop here. ERP application also can develop here using Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Okay, right? Yes. So this is for big data challenges. Hadoop and Spark frameworks are big data challenges. Fine. Okay. See here. By the year 2010, by the year 2010, see 90% of existing applications, existing. See by the year 2010, yes, with Java features here, by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java, migrated Java. Yes, by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications were migrated Java. Okay. So existing applications means what? By the year 2010, that time, what are the existing applications? Like Visual Basic applications, Visual Basic, VC++, okay, .NET, they are very old technologies, .NET. Okay, so these apps, next, C and C++ apps, C and C++ apps. Next, ERP applications like SAP and Oracle ERP, SAP and Oracle ERP apps. These are very old applications. That applications were migrated to Java. Reason. So why migrated to Java here? So what's the reason here? Reason for migration. What reason? See, Visual Basic, VC++, .NET. These are what Microsoft technologies. So these are Microsoft technologies, right? Yes, Microsoft. Yes, Microsoft technologies. Yes. What is disadvantage with Microsoft technologies? Yes, Microsoft technologies. Microsoft technologies are yes, OS dependent. Windows OS dependent. Windows Windows OS dependent. Windows OS dependent means platform dependent. These are platform dependent. Platform dependent. Platform dependent. Platform dependent. So these are platform dependent. Platform dependent. Okay. So here Microsoft technologies are Windows dependent. Yes, Windows OS dependent. Yes, Windows. Sorry. Windows OS. One second. Let me have some water. Yes, Windows OS. What is the disadvantage with Windows OS? Anyone guys? What's the disadvantage with Windows OS? What is the disadvantage with Windows OS? Anyone idea? What's the problem with Windows OS? Anyone? Yes, anyone? No. Works on Windows OS only. Microsoft technologies are working on Windows OS and that's okay. What's the problem with Windows OS? What's the problem with Windows OS? What's the problem with Windows OS? Windows OS is not a secure OS. Windows OS is not a secure OS. Windows OS is not a secure OS. Just a minute. Windows OS is not a secure OS. Yes, that's a well-known fact. Industry well-known about it here. Not the secure OS. Okay, Windows, yes, virus. Frequently, yes, infecting virus and data hacking. Data hacking happens with Windows OS. With Windows. Yeah, that is well known. Okay. Yes, various data hacking happens with Windows OS. And which is secure OS? Which is having, yes, which is more secure OS? Tell me guys. Windows is not a secure OS. Then which is secure OS? Which is secure OS? Linux. Linux is a secure OS. Linux is secure OS. Okay. So with security reasons, most of the clients are interested to migrate. Yes, migrating on Linux platform. Okay. So with security reasons, with security, yes, with security reasons, yes, most of the clients, yes, move to Linux space. Yes, move to Linux space. Yes, Linux. Red Hat Enterprise Linux is famous. RHL. Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Yes, is a most popular. Yes, is a most popular. Yes, most popular secure OS. Most popular secure OS. Most popular secure OS. Red Hat Enterprise Linux or RHEL Linux is a most popular secure OS. So with that, with security reasons, most of the clients, yes, move to Linux space. Yes, moving to Linux space means, suppose if it is Microsoft technologies, it's a OS dependent. They will not work on, Linux space. Yeah, these technologies never work on Linux space. Yes, to move to Linux space, yeah, that application should be independent of platform. Then what's alternative? Java. Okay, so since Java is an independent of platform, yes, independent of platform, yes, most of the, yes, Microsoft clients for migrated Java. That's it. Most of the clients, Most of the clients. So Java is an independent platform. Okay. So with that advantage, yes, most of the clients for migrated Linux base. Yes, migrated Linux base. So what's alternative? Java is alternative. That's the reason. Okay. Yes. Next, C and C++. When come to C and C++ applications, C and C++. When come to C and C++, C and C++. Yes, don't have GA development. Yeah, this one don't have. Yes, don't have. Yes, don't have GA development. GA development. GA programming. So this is GA. But last 5 minutes, almost completed. Just wait for 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes. See, this is GA. Okay, in C and C++ don't have this kind of facility. User-friendly application you cannot develop. So for that reason, the C and C++ applications are migrated to Java. Okay, reason don't have GA developments. Okay, in Java we have the user-friendly application development, GA developments. Okay, yes, next other applications like SAP and ERP. Yes, SAP and ERP. SAP and Oracle ERP. Yes, these are yes costly. Yes, licensing costly here. Licensing costly. Licensing costly. So yes, but here Java software, Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware. Means free of cost you can use. Java is a freeware. Okay. Yes, Java supports ERP features. Okay. See Java. Yes, Java provides ERP features. ERP features. And it's a freeware. And it's a freeware. Java provides ERP features as well. It's a freeware. Yes, with that reason, yes, these clients for migrate Java here. Okay, so since Java provides ERP features and it's a freeware here, yes, these clients that SAP and Oracle ERP clients for migrate Java here. Yes, clients for migrate Java. Migrated to Java. So this what was happened by the year 2010 here, by the year 2010. Next, one more thing happened. Yes, in the year 2010, yes, Java taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Okay. Yes, by the year, yes, in the year 2010, Java taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Now Java with the Oracle Corporation. After taken over by the Oracle Corporation, Java got lot of popularity. Yes, so Java has become leader. Leader. Yes, after taken over. Yes, after taken over by the Oracle Corporation. It has become leader. Okay, it has become leader in the market here. Okay, see here. So this is what was happened here. See here, Java providing solutions for many things. See Java providing yes solutions for many things. Java providing solutions for yes for many yes here many different applications. See Java providing solutions for many things here, many things like see 90% of internet based applications, 90% of internet based applications were developed in Java. Now present position, what is present position of Java? Let us see present position. See present position. What is present position of Java? Yes, present position. Yes, what is present position of Java? Present position. See, 90% of internet-based applications were developed in Java here. Yes, were developed in Java. Yes, next. See, 90% of ERP applications, ERP apps were developed in Java. Developed in Java. Right? Yes, even big data solutions. All big data applications. Okay. Yes, all big data applications. Yes, developed in Java. Yes, no alternative. Only big data. Big data is only Java. No alternative for this. Okay, so 90% of internet-based applications, 90% of ERP applications and big data applications. So Java has given solutions for many things. Java is the ultimate solution for most of the things in the market here. Java applications performing many things here. Most of the activities are performed with Java applications only. Okay, see how many applications are in the market here. Millions of applications. See this website, for example, take websites. 90% of websites developed in Java. Websites, many companies like software companies websites, manufacturing industries websites, colleges websites, schools websites, some trading companies websites, real estate websites, okay, like food delivery, yes, some hotels and all these almost that 90% of websites. Not only websites, internal application to manage their company, like software company, their employees management, yeah, their financial activities management here. Yes, that internal application, software companies, next manufacturing industries, next schools and colleges, like various kind of things. Right? Like this, many things are there. Okay, many things, many companies. Okay, next. Yes, even big data applications. See, top 10,000 companies facing big data issues. Even those also. Okay, even those also. Okay, even those also, right? Okay, so Java given solution for many kind of things. See millions. See millions. Yes, millions. Yes, millions of applications. Applications were developed in Java. Millions of applications were developed in Java. Yes. Now here question is to support. Now come to analysis. To support millions of applications. How many Java resources are required? That's a question. How many Java resources required? Simple question. Yes. Yes. To support millions of applications. Application support. How many Java resources are required? Simple question. Okay. So for example, 1 million of applications. 1 million means 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs of applications. How many resources? Into 10 times. 10 times 1 million of applications. To maintain 1 million of applications here, 10 millions of employees required. Means 1 crore of employees required here. Suppose applications are 10 millions, then how many employees? 100 millions. 10 times required here. See, Facebook application developed in Java. To maintain Facebook, how many employees are working here? Thousands of employees working on Facebook. Google, thousands of employees. Yes, all these applications are Java-based applications, right? Yes, if no Java application, no employment. Yes, all the Java applications, Flipkart applications, Amazon applications, all the Java applications. To manage that applications here, how many? Yes, millions of resources. So crores of, yes, see crores. Yes, crores of Java resource required here. Crores of Java resources. Crores of Java resources required to manage all the applications, all the apps. That's the reason Java got the popularity. Why Java this much of popularity? See, Java is evergreen field. Okay, next one more point I would like to mention here. Requirement on Java. Lot of requirement is there nowadays. There is a lot of shortage for Java resources. See, Since last year, lot of requirement is in Java. Here last year, Python, lot of requirement. Python saturated. Yes, no company taking Python. Python resources not necessary now here. Already saturated. Python saturated. Yes, many are there who learned Python. Many are available market share. But Java guys, very shortage. Yes, who learned Java? No, don't have Java guys. Okay, yes, nowadays most of the companies asking Java trained freshers. Yes, Java trained freshers here. Most of the companies are asking for Java trained freshers here. Java trained freshers. Because there's a lot of shortage for Java resources in the industry here. Okay. Yes. Python, many are available. Plenty are available. Okay. Plenty are available Python here. Python already saturated. No one recruiting Python here. But Java, lot of shortage is there. Java resources not available in the market here. See, most of the students, most of the guys, they felt that Java somewhat tough, Python is easy. So many guys learned Python. Yes, see, easiest things anyone can do it, right? Suppose if it is easiest thing, lot of competition is there. But Java is not a tough. Okay, you see, in my view, Java is not a tough. Java is very easy. I'll make it easy. Even tough things also, I'll make it easy. You guys don't worry. Yes, even tough things comes, I'll make it easy. Easily, I'll explain here. Easily to understand here. Java is very easy. Okay. See here nowadays, yes, the Java trainers may not be explaining properly. The Java trainers may not be explaining properly because of this. Java has become tough, but Java is very simple, very easy. I'll make it easy here. See that 1 month topic. First, initially topic 1 month. 1 month is spending on logic based programming, right? That is more helpful for your software career. Yes, software career. This 1 month period decides your software career. 1 month. If you spend 1 month on this programming skills area, software becomes Java becomes very easy. Software also becomes very easy. Yes, easy to survive in the software field. If you good at this one here, easy to survive in the software field. Yeah, that's all about all these concepts. Because Spring Boot is an advanced version of Spring Framework. Spring Boot is an advanced version. Okay. Yes. So that's all. Yes, for today. Yes, any doubts? See here. So yes, lot of things discussed today. Okay, about Java. What is Java? Yes, Java. What are the initially Java features? Initial release. Java contains what? The JDK contents. All the JDK contents. Okay, next, what are different editions here? What's the purpose of these editions here? Okay, next, what's the Java history? Yes, how Java got this much of popularity? What was happened in Java since 95 to today? Next, what is present situation of Java? And all that discussed. All this my experience. See, most of the trainers, they have to gather the information from the Google. But for me, it's not necessary. Since 1993, I'm in software field. 97 job started. 93 engineering started. That time started. I know what was happening in the market, what was happening in the software field. Okay, what are the technologies came to software field? What was happened? How Java got this much of popularity? I know that very well. Yes, it's my live experience. It's my live experience. Completely my live experience here. Yes, since 1993, I have seen all this. Okay, with Java, yes, more than 20 years I'm traveling Java. It's a part of my life. Java has become part of my life, like a life partner, like my wife. It's another wife, Java. Java is another wife for me. Like a life partner. It has become life partner. Okay. Yes, almost daily, minimum 12 hours spending on Java. Yes, most of the times Java only here. It has become part of my life. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes, 1 second. For our batch, WhatsApp group created. WhatsApp group created. Yes, already WhatsApp group created and communicating in the WhatsApp. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number 8179189123. This is my WhatsApp number. Take this number and share your details. Yes, your name. Yes, your name. Next, WhatsApp course you taking? WhatsApp course you taking? Next time. Next, your Gmail ID requires. Share these details. I'll add the group. Yeah, this is your group. Yes, 8 o'clock. This is your group. All the communication is going on. See, yesterday's session already was shared. Yesterday's session shared in the group. See that yesterday notepad file, that whatever explained the class document, that is also day one session shared. Day one. That recording also shared. Day one. Yes, communication in group. Our communication in group is going on here. Okay. Not only in group here, yes, even individually communication also with every student. Individual communication. See, yesterday, yes, today morning already communication started. Yes, next yesterday communication. Okay. Yeah, this is, take this number. Take this number. Yes, Sandesh, have you written? Yeah, no. Yes, I have not. Yes, I have not written any book here. Yes, he is different. Yes, that guy Nageswar, that's a professor. I'm not a professor. See, I'm a real-time expert. Just that guy, yes, the trainer. Yes, I think not. I think he is not in market presently. Yes, he was a professor, just a college professor. He don't have any real-time experience. Just a college professor. Okay. Yes, I'm a real-time expert. He is different. I'm different. I'm complete real-time expert. Yes, worked on more than 18 projects. Yes, you don't have about project knowledge. Just only, yes. Writing book is not an issue. Reading 10 books, writing 1 book. That's it here. Okay. Yes, he has collected information from the different sites. Just he has written a book. That's it. Okay. Yes, you don't have much knowledge. I'm different. Okay. I'm different from him. I'm completely real-time expert. Worked on embedded C, worked on Linux, worked on Hadoop and Big Data, worked on Java, and worked on Python. I have various skills. My experience is nowhere comparison. Even Google also will not reach my experience. I have the experience more than the Google. Even Google also will not give the solution. That kind of things. I have that much of knowledge, that much of experience. Yes, we'll see going forward. We'll see. Yes, next 2 or 3, you can identify how much I have the experience. Next 2 or 3 classes only you can identify how much I have the experience. My experience is more than the industry. No one reaching to my experience, I'm sure. Okay. Yes. Yes, maximum I'll try to deliver my experience. Okay, fine. Take this number. Yes, yeah, that's all for today. That's all. That's all for today. Yes. Tomorrow also same link. Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow also same link. Same link. Tomorrow also same link. No change in link. Tomorrow also same link and same time. Yes, 8 to 9:30. Yes, already it's a 9:50 today. Lot of time taken. Okay, so see, minimum 1.5 hour class, no doubt. Minimum 1.5 hour class. Some days 1 hour 40 minutes also happens. just to prepare for that. Okay, most of the trainers, they will take only 1 hour class. They simply just says that 1 hour class, but they will take only 45 minutes class. Yes, most of trainers saying that 1 hour class, but 1 hour class they won't take. Well, they'll take only 40 to 50 minutes. My classes, I'm saying that 1.5 hour, but I will take 1 hour and 50 minutes or sometimes minimum 1.5 hour. Otherwise, I can't syllabus. I can't finish syllabus. Okay, lot of syllabus is going to teach. Yep, that's all. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.